Welcome to Shriya the Cotton House. This is Aishwarya. In this video, we will be showing you some restocked items. We have restocked 3 set of items due to huge demand. So we will be showing you that. So we will be showing you 2 linen cotton item and 1 normal cotton item today. All these are available in our website. So if you like to book any of the item, kindly do log into our website, which is www.shriyathecottonhouse.com, or else take a screenshot of the item and WhatsApp us at 9176641794. Both our website address and our WhatsApp number is given in the description box, so kindly do check it. And we'll be updating videos regularly in our YouTube channel by 11 o'clock. So subscribe to our YouTube channel to get our latest notification. So without any delay, let me start showing you the item. So the first item is a casual wear item. Okay, so this is a very beautiful yellow. This is. Okay, so this is how the top will be. You will be getting an yellow color printed soft cotton top with a very beautiful potly buttons in the yoke portion. This is how the top looks, and this comes with a pale green color dupatta and bottom. Okay, so this is the bottom. You will be getting a slightly printed, a very minute printed bottom with this, and a shibori dyed chiffon dupatta. Okay, so this is how the top looks. How the top looks. It's very beautiful. This is not too bright or too light yellow. Very beautiful yellow. This is how the top looks, and this comes the printed bottom, pale green color, light green color bottom. This is, and you will be getting a dual shaded chiffon dupatta. This is how the dupatta will be. Very lengthy dupatta. This is completely printed chiffon dupatta, printed top, printed cotton bottom, and a completely printed chiffon dupatta, priced only at 850 with free shipping. We have got one more color combination. This is yellow with green, and we'll be getting green with yellow combination. So this is priced only for 850 with free shipping. So this is the next color combination. You will be getting a complete printed pattern and potly buttons in the yoke portion, and you will be getting a completely printed bottom. This is the bottom you will be getting, and this is the dupatta. Very beautiful color combination. This is, looks very pretty when you stitch and wear it actually. Okay, so this is how the top looks. Very beautiful green color, completely printed top with a very beautifully printed bottom and a completely printed chiffon dupatta. Dupatta is same for both the items, just the top and bottom color will varies. Okay, so this is how the set looks. So this set is priced only for 850 with free shipping. Let's move on to the next item. Next item is a linen cotton item. Very elegant linen cotton item this is. Okay, so this is how the top will be. You will be getting a embroidered work only in the yoke portion. The remaining portion will be plain. Only in the yoke portion you will be getting the very beautiful embroidery work. This is how the embroidery will be. It's a dark maroon color linen cotton top. Okay, so this is how the top looks. So you will be getting work only in the yoke portion. Remaining everything will be plain, and you will be getting a cotton silk bottom with this. This is the bottom, and a completely embroidered linen cotton dupatta. Okay, so this is the dupatta. So this is also a very lengthy dupatta. You will be getting a complete embroidery pattern all over the dupatta, and this is the top. It's a linen cotton top with a linen cotton dupatta and a sad cotton silk bottom, priced only at 1250 with free shipping. We have got 6 colors in this. So this is dark maroon color. So the next is light green color top. This is how the top will be. You will be getting an embroidery work only in the yoke portion. Remaining everything will be plain, and you will be getting a same colored cotton silk bottom with this. And this is the dupatta. You will be getting a very beautiful and very comfortable dupatta with this. Okay, so this is the dupatta. It's a linen cotton dupatta with a complete embroidery pattern. See the length, very lengthy dupatta this is. So this is priced only at 1250 with free shipping. So the next is dark navy blue. Okay, so this is the dark navy blue color linen cotton fabric. I hope you could see the texture of the fabric. Very comfortable fabric. All these are complete thread embroidery work. So this is dark navy blue. This is not black. It's a dark navy blue color linen cotton top. This is how the top looks. You will be getting work only in the yoke portion. Remaining everything will be plain. And this is the bottom, cotton silk bottom you will be getting. And this is the dupatta. Completely embroidered linen cotton dupatta. This is very lengthy and a very comfortable linen cotton dupatta, priced only at 1250 with free shipping. So this is a restocked item. Due to heavy demand, we have restocked it again. So the next is light grey color. Very beautiful color. This is light grey color linen cotton fabric. So these are all not pure linen. This is linen by cotton fabric. This is how the top looks. You will be getting work only in the yoke portion. And this is the bottom. You will be getting same colored cotton silk bottom and the same colored completely embroidered linen cotton dupatta. Okay, so this is how the set looks. So this is priced only at 1250 with free shipping. So the next is again green. We have got two greens. One is light pale green and the next one is a kind of light leaf green color. Okay. So all these items are available in the website. This is how the set looks. And this is the bottom. You will be getting a cotton silk bottom with this. And this is the dupatta. Same color. Completely embroidered. The full dupatta has got a same color thread embroidery motifs. All these are complete embroidery, not printed work. Completely embroidered set. This is priced only at 1250 with free shipping. We have got one more color that's very beautiful pink color. Okay, so this is such a beautiful pink, light baby pink kind of a color. This is with a very beautiful thread embroidery work. This is how the top will be. It's a light pink color linen cotton top with the same color cotton silk bottom and the same color completely embroidered linen cotton dupatta. Okay, so this is how the set looks. Such a beautiful color combination, priced only at 1250 with free shipping. Let's move on to the next item. Next item is also a restocked item. So this is the one that I am wearing, similar to the one that I am wearing. It's a linen cotton top again. You will be getting a very beautiful thread work, also a complete thread work. You will be getting in the yoke portion, and also you will be getting this type of fancy buttons in the yoke portion. Remaining everything will be plain. Just in the yoke portion you will be getting the embroidery work. Okay, so this is how the top looks. Okay, so this is like the one that I am wearing. It's a light grey color linen cotton top with the work only in the yoke portion, and you will be getting a same color santoon bottom and the same color chiffon dupatta with a very beautiful tassels. Okay, you will be getting a fancy hangings also. This is how the set looks. So this is priced only at 1225 with free shipping. We have got 4 colors in this. So this is light grey. The one that I am wearing is light grey, and we have got beautiful colors in this. So the next one is yellow, very beautiful yellow. All these are complete thread work, thread embroidery work, hand work that too. So last time we have got only 2 colors in this. So this time we have got 4 colors. All are very beautiful colors. Okay, so this is how the top looks. It's a very beautiful yellow color linen cotton top with a very beautiful same color santoon bottom and a beautiful dupatta. Plain chiffon dupatta this is. Okay, so this is how the set looks. So the set is priced only at 1225 with free shipping. So the next is blue. Very beautiful blue color, light sky blue color. This is such a beautiful blue with a very beautiful work in the yoke portion. This is not too light or too bright blue. Very beautiful blue this is. So this is how the top looks. Very beautiful color this is, and you will be getting a same color santoon bottom with this and the same color chiffon dupatta. Okay, so this is the dupatta with a very beautiful hangings, and also you will be getting a very lengthy dupatta also. This is priced only at 1225 with free shipping. So the next is pink color. So this is again a very beautiful pink. So this is how the color will be, and you will be getting a very beautiful thread work in the yoke portion. So all these are restocked item. Due to demand we have restocked it. So kindly place your orders as soon as possible. This is how the top looks. It's a very beautiful pink color linen cotton top. This is the fabric will be very comfortable to wear, and you will be getting a same color santoon bottom with this and the same color chiffon dupatta. Okay, very pleasant pink this is how the set looks. So this is priced only at 1225 with free shipping. So that's all for today. All these items are available in our website. So if you like to book any of the item, kindly do log into our website, which is www.shreyathecottonhouse.com, or else take a screenshot of the item and WhatsApp us at 9176641794. So I'll meet you all tomorrow with the new set of collections. Until then, stay tuned with our page. Bye bye all.